Take over, Mercury Cougar. Yeah, you heard Superfly and Snake. I can hear them both, but we're right in the middle of it all.
Yeah, I'm on the ground plane.
Well, I'm on my beams, but I'm actually picking them both up on the sides. I could point either way, but I can hear Superfly and Snake on these beams.
I got an open container there, coffee cup. I had to squeeze back in my spot, Roger.
Oh yeah, you don't want to spill any of that stuff, man. That's like gold, liquid gold.
I call it 12 ounces of inspiration there, come on.
Oh yeah, poor boy's inspiration, no doubt. I'm sipping on a cool one myself there. Heck of a deal.
Now this stuff says it's been teaching people to dance since 1855, come on.
Well, that's what makes the world keep going around and around and around. Ever since the Romans were drinking that red wine, they got us hooked on this stuff.
All right, coffee cup. How's that right there? I got the MFJ switcher back in line with the SDPlay, so everything is being recorded online, alive on channel 33.
Yeah, you and Scooby figured it out. No doubt, man. That's top shelf, Max. It don't get no better. Clear, clean machine.
Well, cool deal, man. I've got this thing recording, man. You gotta hear this. We're doing a live gate on channel 33. You're gonna like this, man. I'm gonna post this, and I'll send you a link to a coffee cup. That way you can hear exactly how you sound. Everybody will be able to hear exactly how they sound and where they are on frequency. Oh man, it's gonna be cool. I wish that Scooby-Doo, he needs to get back. I need to get him on this gate.
Well, Max, remember I click over, when I hit the lock button on this 2970 to show me the frequency, I'm showing 27.3350. Is that right?
When you keyed, that's exactly what you show to be. I mean, I've got a graph here, and wherever you key, it shows the center of the frequency, so it shows you right on, man. Superfly, you own the money.
And I heard you when you told it. Well, I'm glad I get to talk to you fellas. It's going to be a good weekend. Come on.
Alright, Sneaky Snake. I need you to key this thing down now and talk a little bit longer than That way I can capture you here and see where you at on the frequency meter, buddy. Key it down. Give me a big hello.
Max, I think I keyed up with you. I'll be quiet.
did I miss? Did I miss anything good?
Oh, man. When you keyed that thing down, well, you're a little bit wide, dude. Scooby. The graph went crazy when you keyed that thing up, and you're dead on frequency, too. It shows right in the middle.
Well, heck of a deal. Well, heck, hold on a second here. I'm gonna reach over here and hit it like that. We're gonna throw some RF your way, see if we can't wake that old spectrum up over there and see what happens that way like that. Come on.
Yeah, you made it dance. I'm recording this. I'll have to upload it to YouTube and give you a link to it. But yeah, man, it's pretty cool. I put this thing back in line since y'all got me lined out on my audio, because I was thinking there might be a problem with this MFJ and we had some bleed over, you know, because it's got some little dinky relays inside of it that switches to protect this SDPlay from getting RF in it and blowing shit up, you know. So, oh man, we got the Watergate tool right here, Scooby-Doo.
Oh man, that's too cool, man. So you got some double pole, double throw relay action going on there. So when you key that thing up, it lets go of one side of the relay so that RF can't back up into the MFJ.
Now the MFJ, you'll have to look this thing up. Let me see what model it is. It's an MFJ 1708 SDR. It's its own little device, and it's got its own relays in there. You got 3 RF ports here. One says radio, one says antenna, and then one, the PL239 or whatever, says SDR. Now my SDR hooks to it, and then that hooks to the computer. Looks like it's got a delay pot on it, a PTT, and 12-volt power supply. And my PTT that I use with my foot pedal key, this 148, it's got 3 relays in it now. I had to add one in parallel, and just to isolate it, I wanted to make sure it was isolated, so I just added another relay to fire the PTT on this MFJ. And so I had to add an extra jumper in there to get this MFJ in line. But what it does is it switches, and of course I've got it hooked directly to the radio, and then from there it goes to the, you know, the first amp in line. But oh, it's a pretty cool setup, man. You got to check this stuff out.
Oh yeah. Well, you know, one day at a time, or I'm sorry, one piece at a time. Yeah, man. Well, I know it. You got it sounding top notch, and it sounds like you got it figured out. I've got somewhat of a picture in my mind of what you're talking about. Heck of a deal, man. That's cool. You're moving on up. I'm right behind you.
Well, you get that big, what was the name of that antenna you were getting, that big beam, Joe Gunn, or no, can't remember the name of it. You get that up, man, I'll be recording your gates out there.
Hey, man, that'll be cool. Gizmachi. The old Gizmachi.
Oh, Gizmomachi. I tell you, Scooby-Doo, when I lived in White Settlement, I had a laser 400 that was 10 foot longer on both sides of my house than my whole house. Come on.
10-4, I think Coffee Cup had one of them. They're bad to the bone. They sure are.
I never got a chance to put it up, man. I had it sitting on sawhorses using it as a ground plane. But I got more skip. I could talk to Cincinnati or Hawaii, but I couldn't get across the street. Come on.
Well, you know, that's definitely one characteristic of a beam, especially on the flat side. That's kind of one reason I want to go to that Gizmochi, because it's a dual polarity beam, and it broadcasts on vertical and horizontal at the same time.
Yeah, I was reading up on one the other day, man. That's pretty cool, because of that Laser 400, I didn't have the spectrum analyzer to run the flat side and the horizontal at the same time. I had to click over one or the other. They told me you had to have a specific kind of switch box. So you have the dual polarity switch. I didn't have it. It had two singles, horizontal and flat.
Yeah, that's right. 10-4. Yeah, you can do it just about on any beam with the right equipment. I just like the Gizmochi, just based on the reviews and everything that I've read about them, man. They're kind of a compact beam, and they're real easy to build upon. They sell that boom extender kit and the 3 elements that come with it, and it's really easy to just keep adding elements. You know what I mean?
Yeah, Paul Roger.
As far as buying it right out of the box, the biggest one they've got is a 6 element. But like I said, you can just keep adding elements to it. It comes with the boom extender and and the 3 elements that go with it. So every time you add a section, you just adding another element to it. So I think I'll start off with 7 and see what happens.